How to install iOS 18. So hello everyone, so in today's video I will show you guys on how to install iOS 18. So without further ado, let us begin. So to start off, what you want to do is simply go to your settings, scroll down until you see general, click on general, and then just click on software update. And then after that, you'll be redirected here, so just wait for this to load, and then there you go. So once you're here, what you want to do is simply click on upgrade to iOS 18, and then from here you'll be greeted with two options. So it's either you can update to iOS 18 now or you can update it tonight. So I'll just update mine now, so just click on update now, and then after that it will ask you for your passcode, and then after that just wait for this to load, accept the terms and conditions, click on agree, and then after that it will now start to update. And then there you go. So as of now, it is downloading the update. So it will take you 5 minutes depending on your Wi-Fi speed. And then after that, once it's done downloading, it will now start to update your phone. And then you're pretty much done. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to update into iOS 18. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.